I'm Sam. I'll be giving the tour of your athletic facilities here at Morrisville. First is our Iceplex, where our men's and women's ice hockey team practices and plays. They have a bunch of fun games during their season. You should stop by. We also have our Student Rec Center. We have plenty of pickup basketball, volleyball, pickleball games here on campus that you can come and attend. And here we'll also have some presentations. This is our athletics complex. It has our indoor turf as well as our athletic trainers for our student athletes here on campus. We also have our Student Activities Center in this building. We have our basketball, volleyball gym. We also have our gym for students on campus as well as our athletes. It's a great facility and a great way to train. This is our black turf field. It's the only one in the nation. Here in the fall, you can catch our football team, men's and women's soccer, as well as field hockey. And in the spring, we have men's and women's lacrosse. Farther down the road are our softball fields, where our softball team plays and practices.